Hello, this is Yunus Abdul Karim. Welcome to Zero Coding Skill Acquisition, where I'll be taking you to how to create your own website and apps without coding. In this class, we are going to be creating our app without coding skill. You don't need Android Studio or any other coding platform to create your Android app. But for this, in a few minutes, I will introduce you to Zero Coding Skill. Alright, you can design your apps, your website without coding and also make money from it. That's your dream website that you have been earning to create and also make money from. You can do it in your phone without any coding skill. And also your apps, you can create your apps, your Android apps without coding skill. Your game apps, your Android apps, your music apps, any other entertainment tools apps, you can create it without your laptop. You will be able to use your smartphone, as I do, to create your Android apps and also monetize it using Google AdMob, startup, affiliate marketing. Then you can also sell this skill as a way of monetizing your skill set. Without leaving your home, you can sell this skill as a digital product. Right? Then what is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is an ad network by Google. It is owned as an ad network firm by Google, which connects website owners like you. When you've created your website, you can apply for Google AdMob. It will connect you to advertisers, premium or low quality advertisers, anyone, to enable them to run adverts in your website using the spaces in your website or blogs, such that when these advertisers pays Google, 68% of that revenue is dumped into your account. Now, if advertisers pays Google $100, Google pays you this 68% of your ad revenue, of your total ad revenue, which in our case, when $68. So when your balance in your dashboard, in your AdSense dashboard account reaches $100, you can withdraw on the 21st of each month. As you can see, we are in the 27th of this month. It's already 6 to 7 days already. Those who have their balance have already withdrawn. Alright. Same thing applies for Google AdMob. But Google AdMob, the only difference in Google AdMob is the platform. Google AdSense is for bloggers, website owners, while by Google AdMob is only for app owners, Android or iOS. Google connects you as an app developer, app owner, to advertisers. Whenever advertisers run their adverts in your app, they pay Google. 68% is dumped into your account, same as that of Google AdSense. Same thing apply for YouTubers. So AdSense pays YouTubers, same thing. Alright. The only difference, some deals with click or installs in case of app. Bloggers deals with impression and CPC, cost per click. Whereby this YouTubers deals with, for YouTube AdSense revenue deals with, if I'm not mistaken, it deals with cost per impression or cost per page view or impression. Also CPC applies. Now, factors that affect your earnings: the niche of your website or your app, the financial niche, if your app is about finance or health or medicines or anything at all, or entertainment, it's different from each other. Each has its specific CPC, that is cost per click. Now, not only that, the location of your users, your web users or your app users also matters. Those coming from Tier 1 countries like USA, Canada, UK, New Zealand, Netherlands are of they have higher CPC, cost per click, than those coming from the third world countries, Africa and others. Then, not only these two factors, the third factor is the ad formats you are using, which is banner ads, interstitial or rewarded ads, then ad placement, the number of time or the location where you place the ads. Then, to sum it up, all these depend on traffic. If you have gotten all this in place and you don't have traffic, there is no way you earn from your website or your app. You don't expect to create a website and just dump it like that, and you don't drive traffic, either organic or paid traffic, into your website before you can get your money back. So it's a win-win situation. You work for it, you get paid. So this is a disclaimer, a very strong disclaimer. Your earnings may vary, either lower or higher, but may not be exact as seen in any dashboard or in any screenshot you are seeing in any way. So it depends on you, your commitment. So depends on you, your consistency, your commitment to your own website and app, the commitment to push traffic, to make it user friendly. So those are the things that encourage users. So, and I do not encourage, I failure to adhere to simple guidelines, just simple guidelines that will make your AdSense or AdMob account banned. That is, I do not encourage in any way or teach click fraud, also known as self-clicking. I will not teach you self-clicking. I don't teach that, and I do not encourage that, because your AdSense or AdMob account will get banned. It will get banned. You will never be able to create any other new one, because that is fraud. That is 419 Yahoo. Then this is another warning for app users. You don't use your own app. You don't install, even mistakenly, don't you ever install your own. If your app is showing live adverts, do not install your apps in your own phone or in any other phone that you have used to test your app. Do not install it, because Google might see that, will see that as click fraud. Because whenever advert shows in your own app, in your phone, from your phone, that's deadly. You start seeing red card from Google. If you must test your app with your device, initially add your device as a test device. You go to Google, search for how to add my device as test device. You will see it clearly. It's very clear, step-by-step tutorial on it. Now, use test ad codes before using your main ad codes. Use test ad codes before using the live or your main ad codes. Why? Because when you use your main ad code to test your app, whether the app is showing, the ads is showing, Google will see it as click fraud, then to restrict, and if it sees again, it will ban your account. So Google does not have, they don't have mercy on that, concerning that, because they don't play with funds of their advertisers. They don't play with money from their advertisers, from the advertisers that have paid them. You don't do that. So you make sure you have it at least before showing ads. After testing your app with a test ad, before switching to your live ad, your main ads, make sure you must have gotten up to 1,000 installs. And it's easy if you follow the guidelines that you'll be learning from this tutorial. It's very easy to implement. Just to implement the way SEO is done. So ASO is app search optimization, so that if the user search any keyword from Play Store, your app comes up first or second or third, or in the first 10 results. So this, I will show you the okay, if you check the description of this video, you will see all the test ad codes that you can use to test your app. Now let's create our first app. Let's go to appcreator24.com to sign up. When you are signed up, then we can continue. Let's go. appcreator24.com. Go downloading, then we can come back. Sign up with your email and a secure password. Don't worry, it's a secured site. It's your email and password. If you're not signed up, signed up here. So we need to load. So this is an app that I created. One of these apps is already on Play Store live. This app is already on Play Store live. So you will see here blank. What you will see only is create app. Create app. Click on create app. See new feature is available. Let me see what feature is available for us. New section for PDF files. Now you can upload your PDF file directly to show them in your app. Until now the files had to be published on some other servers. Good. This is awesome. Because we can create PDF app using this feature. So we are done. We are here. Next is, what app are we going to create? Let's quickly create a quiz app. Log in and click create app. So we are logged in already. Click create app. Fill out app details icon and choose theme. Fill out app details icon, choose the theme. App details. These are the app details: the description of your app, the app name, the icon, and description. These are the app details. So we want to create a quiz app. Let's say which kind of quiz do we want to create. A quiz about what? Animals. Animal quiz. There's an animal quiz. Animal quiz. Then you can choose, if you already have your app icon, you choose from your desktop or you choose from the gallery. You see, this interface, this platform provides you with things that you need ready-made. So now, what do we choose? What do we choose? They're related to animal. All right, this bird. Yeah, quiz, animal quiz. So you can design your icon using Canva. Design your icon to look exactly the way the title of your app is. This is the title of our app. Now, okay. Now the description. Let's say test your, okay. How much do you know animals? Test your knowledge. So you click on next. Next is to choose the theme. This is the theme or style of your app. You can choose anything, but I would prefer choosing green. I love green. Now, this is where you choose the interface of your app. What kind of app do you do? If you can see, you could also create a sticker app, WhatsApp sticker app here, TV, web app, chat app, video sharing app, forum app, radio station or music app, anything. In games app, you can choose it, but let's go. This is quiz app. Now our quiz is ready. Our demo quiz is ready. What you will do, there is already a quiz example. Is to download the APK file that we've done. To go to App Manager, download the APK file. Download into your phone. Download into your phone. But we are still in queue. Wow. We are in queue. It's a huge traffic here. That's serious. So we'll come back when it's done. Come back to that when it's done, when the queue is, when it's our turn to download our own app. But before then, we can go to section to customize the quiz. This is the quiz example that is being added. Then you can set your quiz. The section title, that is the title that will be shown in the menu. The icon, the image that will show in the menu of your phone. Then the initial score, you can start the start button. Set initial score. You can either, now these are the questions. Navigate to questions. You can create more questions. These are demo questions. You can create more questions. Now when you click on questions, so this is where, if you want to create a word what is it called, app, word puzzle app, this is where you choose this discover word. You want to create questions that contains optional multiple options, A, B, C, D. This is what you click, and then you type in your questions. What animal is this? So you can upload an image of an animal and then say goat, sheep, cat, dog. So if sheep is the correct answer, you click correct answer, then you'd add mark to it, then you click on save. So that's done. If you have saved it there, you come back here, you see it is being added. Then you come back here, scroll down to click on save. You are done with that question. So let's go back. Is it our turn? Refresh the page. It's still queue. Wow, this is serious. All right, we'll be back. So you just test your app using that method. You download the app in your phone using this page, install it, test how it looks, use your creativity. Then, well, if in case, now how do you monetize this app? You simply monetize this app. That is, after doing everything, you come to, if you want to monetize with Google AdMob, you come to name an icon, then you add your app ID here. You add your app ID here. After adding your app ID, click on save. Oh, sorry, you add your app ID, then click on this generate APK and AAB, because you will need the AAB file to upload to publish your app on Play Store. Then here, download it again, but that time when you add your app ID, don't do it in your phone because you must have. So now when you are done with adding your app ID, you come to scroll down to where you see ads. Then you can add your app and AdMob ad unit for banner ads. You click here and add it. Scroll down, interstitial. If you have the ad unit, you click here and add it. Scroll down, the native ad unit for AdMob, you add it here. Add it here. Navy ads in table type menu and in sub menus. Add it there. In chat, there is no banner. There is no chat ads. In chat ads, AdMob does not support it. Rewarded video ads, add it here. Then you click on save to save it. Then you can publish your app. But instead of adding your main ad code, use those test ad code, then add them here. Those test ad code that you find in the description of this video, add them here, then click on save, then download your app, test it and continue the journey. If you have any question, you can meet me on WhatsApp. This is my number. And make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. We'll be creating more apps. And also you can email me using this link. Go to my website, you'll be seeing awesome updates. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice week. Anyone you meet, thank you. Thank God. Bye. Good jobs.